With the outbreak of coronavirus happening right now and being forced to stay at home, you may be wondering what on earth you're going to do while you're stuck indoors. While there are many things that you could be doing, such as spending quality time with your family and maybe getting some of those household things that you've been wanting to do and get them done, I also suggest taking advantage of this time to get an extra stream of income and start your own business online so that you can work from home or anywhere else once this crisis is over. And it's not affected so much by the economy in the same way that our regular jobs might be, so that you're not left in a situation where if the situation continues, for example, you don't have the financial resources, or if at any point in the future you're not able to work outside the home, then you can still have that source of income. Now, there are a few business models that could work well for this, so I would encourage you to check out this video right here for more ideas. But I would say that the most personally and financially rewarding would be to create an online course and teach something that you know to someone else. And also, as an online course, it means that it's running in the background for you regardless of whether you go back to work or not. So once you go back to work, you can have this running in the background, still making you money. Or if you wanted to develop it to be a full-time job, then, or full-time income, I should say, then you could do that. Or if you are in a situation where you are no longer able to go to work for ill health or for other reasons, then you still have this income stream coming in. So it's a really good option to take advantage of that time while you're at home anyway. Now, if you're not sure how to create an online course, then be sure to subscribe to this channel because we have a lot of videos covering that topic. And also you want to check out this playlist right here because that takes you through the overview of creating an online course from start to finish, and that can be really helpful too. But also I realize that you are probably going to only have a limited amount of time at home to be able to create the course because eventually you'll be going back to work, right? So if you want to maximize the use of your time, I would encourage you to book a free strategy call with me. The link for that is below, as that will give you an opportunity to really laser in on what is your best way forward, because while creating an online course is very doable, it does have to be done in the right way, otherwise you're going to waste a lot of time. So while this is a time of great uncertainty for our family and our jobs and the economy and everything, I just encourage you to look at it as much as you can as an opportunity to spend time with your family, making memories with them, and also to build an extra stream of income that will protect you financially from situations where you're not getting work or an income from your job, or if you are forced to stay at home for other reasons. But whatever you decide to do during this time at home, I just wish you and your family all the best.